Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Some of you may be wondering where I've been over the last month or so. Many of you may not care. The reason why I haven't been making any videos on YouTube lately is because I've been making a tiny home for my daughter out of my Fiat Fiorino van. Let me show you around a bit. I'm pretty happy with it. She's going to go off on her travels and she's going to be vlogging from the van from different places around the country and stuff. She's really excited about it. I'm really excited about it. So yeah, have a look.
Since I wrote this song, and I'm sitting here as life moves on, a shining light that burns so strong.
So as you can see, it's a micro camper for one. It's got an array of cupboards, it's got its own power, it's got a 110 mAh leisure battery with a 2000 watt inverter. It's got solar as well. It's got a split charger as well. If you don't know what any of that means, then you can check out my daughter's channel, and she is doing a whole vlog series on the build of this and everything else. All we're waiting for now is cushions for the seats and for the bed, and then she's ready to go. Just about. I've got to replace the drop links because I've got a dodgy drop link on the steering's making a funny old noise, but apart from that, the van is good. It's only 50,000 miles on the clock, all serviced up and everything, so I'm confident, touch wood, it's going to be all right for her. And that's it. So I will be back making videos as per normal on my channel. I've got a few guitars to show you, bits and bobs, reviews, silliness, all the usual stuff, and I'll be back streaming again on Twitch too. So yeah, so take it easy, hit the subscribe button if you like, and follow my daughter if you want to see the van and the travels of the van. It's called Flow. It's called Go With The Flow. The van, that is. Cheers.